Alright, so today's a very crappy, poopy, rainy day. Out here doing a double installation on this vehicle. Check it out. And see what I mean by crappy, poopy? It's crappy and it's poopy and it's wet. Sam already did his job, got this tire in here. I'm just gonna mount it, get the tire off the hub, off the rim, and get the new one on there, ship it out. Sam's gonna bring the next one. Check it out, y'all. Breaking the seal on that one. There you go. Little trick to know, you never want to bust the seal where the valve stem is, otherwise you risk breaking the valve stem sensor. Now we're going to slap it on there, get this tire off of there, get that tire on there. Oh yeah, just like that. Bada boom, bada bam. First one done, handed it out to Sam. There you go, buddy. Found out why it was leaking. Looks like they got a crack on their rim there. We always ask if they think they hit something. This customer said they did not hit anything, but obviously hit something. I just want to explain what's going on here. So last tire was cracked. The customer said they didn't hit anything, but this is indicative of a scrape on something and then get the tire on something. So watch out for your customers. They don't always tell the truth. The outside, the backside looks pretty good on this one, but that's obviously a hit a curb type deal. All right, so you guys know what we do with that guy. We bust the seal on it. Seal's busted. Now we're just gonna get the tire off of here. Use our thing, use our other thing, bada boom, bada bam. Don't know if I showed y'all this on the last one. That's how that goes. Just like that. Another thing I don't show you guys is we usually clean off the rim where the seals are to make sure that it doesn't leak from the seals. And another thing that we do is use our lubrication to lube around the tire so it slides on real easy. Can't go in there dry, if you know what I'm saying. Now the tire's on the rim. Last thing we do is take the valve cap off, put it somewhere where you won't lose it, and air this beast up. Now we're just waiting for it to air up. That's just how we do it. Got SRS on location, doing his part, throwing the tires on.